Hello everyone, I am Anita, a PMP and PGMP certified professional. Today we continue our strategic alignment journey with task 4. Define the program mission statement by evaluating the stakeholders' concerns and expectations to establish program direction. What does this really mean? It means the program manager must understand stakeholders' expectations, define the program purpose, define and communicate the mission statement. Now remember this, in task 3, the program manager defines a high-level roadmap and financial framework in terms of timeline and cost. But task 4 shifts the focus. Why does this program exist? What value does it create? What do stakeholders actually expect? Here is an important point to understand. A mission statement establishes the program direction in terms of purpose, not timeline, not cost, but purpose. For example, instead of saying we will implement digital system in 6 months, a mission statement would be to improve customer experience through digital transformation. Now think about this. If a program has a roadmap but no purpose, will it really succeed? No. It may deliver outputs, it may even finish on time and within budget, but without clear purpose, teams move in different directions, stakeholders lose confidence, and outcomes fail to align with the organizational strategy. Let's look at the first question from task 4. A global organization has initiated a strategic transformation program. The program manager has already developed the high-level roadmap and financial framework, establishing the baseline for program planning and execution. During stakeholder discussions, several senior leaders expressed different expectations about the strategic outcomes of the program. The program manager wants to ensure that the program's purpose reflects these expectations and provides clear strategic guidance for program activities. What should the program manager do next? Let's analyze what the question is asking. The program manager has already developed the high-level roadmap and financial framework. So the baseline for planning and execution is in place. Now during stakeholder discussions, senior leaders have expressed different expectations. The program manager wants to ensure that the program's purpose reflects these expectations and provides clear strategic direction. So understand this carefully. This is no longer about the roadmap, which is a time-based or chronological view of the program. This is about clarifying the purpose and direction of the program. Now let's evaluate the options. Option A, update the program roadmap to reflect stakeholder expectations. A roadmap focuses on phases and milestones. It does not define or clarify the program's purpose. Therefore, it does not solve the problem. Hence, option A can be eliminated. Option B, define the program mission statement to clarify the program's direction. Option B is correct because the mission statement defines the purpose, aligns stakeholders' expectations, and sets the program direction. That's exactly what the question is asking. But before we finalize, let's quickly eliminate the other options. Option C, develop the program governance framework to manage stakeholder decisions. Governance is about decision-making structure, not purpose definition. Hence, this option can be eliminated. Option D, initiate detailed planning for component projects. This is too early. We still don't have clarity on purpose. Hence, this option can also be eliminated. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Now, let's look at the second question. A program manager is preparing to transition a newly approved program into detailed planning. The high-level roadmap and financial baseline have already been established. However, stakeholders from multiple business units have expressed varying expectations regarding the program's strategic priorities. The program manager wants to ensure that the program provides a unified direction before further planning activities begin. What is the best action for the program manager? Let's look at the options. Option A, refine the program roadmap to include additional milestones. A roadmap focuses on phases and milestones. Aligning stakeholders' expectations, defining strategic priorities, and clarifying the program's purpose are not part of the roadmap. Hence, this option can be eliminated. Option B, establish a program governance board to resolve stakeholder conflicts. Governance helps in decision making, but here we first need clarity on direction. So this option can also be eliminated. Option C, define and communicate the program mission statement. This is the most appropriate choice because it defines why the program exists, it aligns stakeholders' expectations, it provides a strategic direction for the program. This is exactly what the question is asking. But before finalizing option C as the correct answer, let's quickly review option D. Option D, begin developing detailed component project schedules. This is too early. Without alignment, planning will fail. Therefore, we can eliminate this option. Option C is the correct answer. Let's quickly review key phrases to identify this task. Different stakeholder expectations, confusion in purpose, unclear direction. Whenever purpose is unclear or stakeholder expectations are not aligned, define the vision statement first. So that's how we approach task 4 of the strategic alignment domain. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video very soon.